riri muingi wa gitaro gia ikamba-ini wetereire na hiki kinene kurika kwa demu ya MAAI ya Thwake iri itanyitwo kunina thina wa MAAI mwena ucio. Minister wa UGITIRI wa THIINI PROF KITHURE Kindiki na ithuritie MAAI ma Ruui rwa Athi River ruria rutanyitwo gutwara MAAI demu-ini yo ni ugwati kuri ugima wa mwiri wa muingi. Akiaria mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igie mateta ma muingi, Kindiki augite kuringana na ithimi iria ciekitwo MAAI ma Ruui ruu monanitie mari na mutukanio wa thumu moru na matiagiriirwo ni kuhuthirwo ni muingi.
Some of the chemicals that have been found present in the waters of Athi River are toxic to the level of being what experts call persistent organic pollutants, which means they can be transmitted through the food chain. If they get into the food chain, they can be transmitted even intergenerational, in an intergenerational manner.
Akihanania uthukangia wa Ruui ruru na njuragano cia kimumu iria ciatabanirio mutito-ini wa Shakahola county-ini ya Kilifi, Kindiki augite giko kiria kionereirio Ruui-ini ruu kuma iganda-ini, mathibitari-ini na kungi kuingi niguo uthukangia uria munene muno wa maria maturigiciirie kwaya kuhanika guku bururi-ini na MAAI macio matingiamba kuonererio demu-ini ya Thwake uria mahana.
Particularly the question which was asked on the presence of carcinogenic pollutants, some of the studies conclude in the affirmative. Some of the studies which I've seen myself, not through my officers, myself, I've seen some of the studies that confirm the presence of lead and other heavy metals and some carcinogenic pollutants, but those are private studies.
Ona kuri uguo Kindiki nieranire thirikari ni ambikite mitaratara ya gutheria Ruui ruu ari hamwe na guthima gikiro gia thumu uria uri MAAI-ini niguo kumenya njira iria kuhuthika kumatheria o undu umwe na kugathika maabitha a borithi aria marigitagira njui guku matauni-ini. Kindiki ahananitie uthukangia wa njui guku bururi-ini na cieko cia itoi cia Al-Shabab na kuriranire kung'ethanira na aria othe maranyita itemi uthukangia-ini ucio.
If anybody is known to be releasing toxic and cancerous material into a river which is being used by Kenyans, that person is on the same category with a terrorist. It's only that their method of causing death is different. So the same way I've managed the other situations which I'm trying to manage, I have an added challenge now of dealing with the environmental terrorists.
Kumana na uthukangia wa njui iria hitukiire gatagati ka mucii wa Nairobi, mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni athundurire kamiti ya kurugamira utheria wa njui kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka uyu. Miario ya Kindiki ni ikirire nganja wigiriki wa ruhonge rwa kuramata maria maturigiciirie rwa NEMA kuona ni ruo ruri na uhoti wa kuhinga iganda, mathibitari, biashara na kana micii iria yonereirie giko njui-ini guku bururi-ini thutha wa murugamiriri wa chemist ya thirikari Fidelis Mufumiko kuuga NEMA matire matwara sample nemwe mathimiro.
Most of the requests are from the either industry or the public health or individual people who just want to know their results.